Hello guys, welcome back to Yaa Asantewaa's kitchen. To my Ghanaian people, mema wo akwaba to Yaa Asantewaa's kitchen. Today, Yaa Asantewaa is going to cook a simple, quick food. Black pepper mashed potato. Let me introduce the ingredients to you. Potatoes, milk, black pepper powder, salt, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and corn powder. Guys, first step is to peel and wash the potatoes. After peeling the potatoes, I'm going to wash it and cut them into slices. Now I will cut the potatoes. Guys, after cutting the potatoes, put the potatoes into the pot. Pour some water into the pot. Some salt. Cook it 10 to 15 minutes. The potatoes is ready. I'm going to take them out. Next thing is we'll add the milk in the bowl and mash it. I have finished mashed the potatoes. Now I'm going to put them into a bowl. Next is to heat the sauce 3 to 5 minutes. Just keep stirring it. Later, when the sauce becomes sticky, then it's ready. Now the sauce is almost ready. If it's too sticky, you can add some water. I'm going to add some water. Okay, now my sauce is ready. The last thing is to pour the sauce to the plate. Guys, this is the end. I'm going to try it. It tastes very natural and delicious. Please watch more and follow the steps to do this very delicious mashed potato with Yaa Asantewaa. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you next time.